If you are a digital entrepreneur, you understand how time-consuming and frustrating making content can be if you are not a graphic designer. You can find yourself spending hours trying to produce layouts, and they still don't look good. Get Nice has created a selection of beautiful Canva book templates, so you can create lead magnets, workbooks, planners, or whatever you need for your online business without the need to be a graphic designer. Let me walk you through how easy it is. Choose your favorite design, open the links sent to you, and start editing. Text changes are as simple as click and edit. Drag and drop your images, and edit the colors as needed. When you are all done, download in the format you require. It is that easy, and Get Nice Templates also has matching website and Instagram templates, so you can get an instant brand without the hard work. Get started by visiting getnicetemplates.com today.